This is Capilla Santa Ana Museum, and it was named after the mother of the owner, Magdalena Santa Ana. Under the foundation, it was named after the mother of the owner, which is Magdalena Santa Ana, or the mother's name of the owner. So that's why Magdalena Santa Ana Charitable Foundation. Its purpose is to help the low-income parents na di sila help the kids na for the education. Free, makakonsulta free education, gusto materials, vitamins. So there are 120 pupils na gipag-study here sa church. This chapel is actually a private home. The collections here are from 17th to 19th century, mostly from Europe, and then 90% from Europe, and then 10% from local, India, Canada, Egypt, and Philippines. So, since the couple, Lilian Yarid Overs, native Toledana, and Sir Michael Overs, who's childless, so it became their passion to collect these artifacts.
When we think of history, we often imagine old stones, dusty relics, or ancient stories forgotten by time. But here, hidden in the quiet corners of Sitio Santa Ana in Barangay Ibo, Toledo City, history does not sleep. It breathes, it lives, and it invites us to walk with it. This is the Capilla Santa Ana Museum and Labyrinth, a sanctuary where faith, heritage, and artistry meet. A place that tells a story not just of the past, but of the people who carried it, and of the hearts who continue to keep it alive. The journey begins on April 18, 2012, when this chapel, lovingly built by the Desare Charitable Foundation and the Magdalena Santa Ana Foundation, and they opened its doors. Named in honor of Magdalena Santa Ana, the mother of its owner, Lilian Yarid Overs, this chapel stands as both a tribute and a legacy. Lilian, a true Toledana, along with her husband Michael Overs, envisioned a place that preserves beauty, history, and devotion, something timeless and deeply personal. Step inside and the world changes. You are welcomed by the architecture modeled after old European chapels, simple yet grand, peaceful yet powerful, but the treasure inside lie inside the museum, where each artifact whispers a story. Here, you will find an extraordinary collection of religious art, statues, paintings, vestments, and liturgical items dating as far back as the 17th to 19th century. About 90% of the sacred pieces come from Europe, while the rest trace their roots to Egypt, India, and the Philippines. Together, they form a tapestry of cultures, faiths, and histories woven across continents. Among these treasures lies one of the museum's most remarkable pieces is a 100-year-old Bible, handwritten in Old English. No cameras are allowed here, not out of secrecy but out of respect. For these relics are not decorations, they are memories, a fragile, irreplaceable, and sacred. Renaissance paintings adorns the wall. A reliquary holding relics of 100 saints stands silently in its place. and tucked gently within the display is a 250-year-old mini altar, a witness to a generation of prayers. These artifacts do more than preserve history. They remind us of who we are. That our Catholic heritage, especially here in Cebu, is a living legacy passed down through his centuries. But Kapila Santa Ana is more than a museum. It is a community, a center of learning, sharing, and spiritual growth. A place where people gather not only to observe history, but to experience it. Outside the chapel, another journey awaits, one that leads inward, the labyrinth, inspired by the ancient labyrinths of Europe. It is not a maze meant to confuse. It has only one path, winding, turning, and guiding you toward the center. A path for meditation, for prayer, for quiet reflection. Walk it slowly, breathe with every step, and feel the world grow still around you. The labyrinth is more than a garden. It is a reminder that even when life seems full of twists and turns, there is always a way forward. There is always a path. The Kapila Santa Ana Museum and Labyrinth is not just a historical site. It is a bridge between past and present, between culture and spirituality, between art and faith. It stands as a testament to the devotion of a family, the heritage of a people, and the richness of Cebuano history. Whether you come here as a traveler, a believer, and an artist, or simply a curious soul, you live with something more to it, a deeper understanding, a sense of peace, a renewed connection to the stories that shape us. In this place, history does not fade. It blooms, it breathes, and it continues to bless those who walk through its doors. This is the Kapila Santa Ana Museum and the Labyrinth, a journey through faith, a celebration of art, and a living gift to the generations yet to come.